Hello, I'm Paul. Today we'll be installing a hitch on your Nissan Versa Note. You can take it to some fun places like camping and biking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in North America. So let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Okay, so the first step in this hitch install is to lower the exhaust. You'll be needing a lubricant and muffler pliers. Okay, and the next step is removing the heat shield, which is by removing 3 10mm bolts. All right, okay, so now the next step is lowering this black canister box, and it's an M10 bolt right up there. And now we're going to be removing the canister bracket with 3 10mm bolts. Now we need to enlarge this hole for our handle nut. We're going to use a step bit. We now need to angle our handle nut to go over this hole. And then we're going to reinstall the bracket around our handle. And we're going to repeat the drilling on the passenger side. Okay, the next step is trimming the heat shield. You can see we've marked it. All right, and now we're going to reinstall it. All right, and our next step is to install the carriage bolt and block into the tow hook. We are now going to line up our hitch with these 3 points with our U-Haul hitch jack. We are now going to install our bolts and washer nuts into the handle nuts. Okay, and on the tow loop bolt, we're going to be installing our washer and nut. We are now going to torque all our bolts down using a 19mm socket. Now we're going to reinstall our carbon canister. Make sure you fold the handle nuts out of the way. And now we're going to reinstall our exhaust. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25" hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 10 inches. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.